Hi, I am Parv Jain and currently pursuing MBA in Marketing and Business Analytics from Lovely Professional University. And today I am excited to share that I have been selected at a position of Key Account Manager at Trident Group with an incredible package of 18 LPA. This achievement is a dream come true and I owe a significant part of it to LPU. My journey at LPU has been exceptional and from the very first day I am a part of this learning environment that combines real-world exposure with academic learning. The curriculum at Marketing and Business Analytics is perfectly aligned with the industry needs. They equipped me with managerial and technical skills. The faculty at LPU has been my biggest mentor. They didn't just teach me, they helped me, they guided me and also helped me in pushing my boundaries. The various live project, industrial training and workshop that I participated in helped me in honoring my analytical and technical skills. And I also cannot forget to thank LPU Robust Placement Support System, which equipped me with industrial training, free mock drive and training sessions that helped me to secure this amazing package at Trident Group. I am proud to be a part of this dynamic and forward-thinking university. To anyone with big aspiration, I would say LPU is the first place for you to convert your dream into reality. Think big, think LPU. Thank you.